What is actually happening in the crypto market? Here are some of those snapshots of what's happening now in the crypto market, along with key trends and risks to watch. Okay, you can see the BTC falling a lot from over $122,000 to 112. You can see the Ethereum is also experiencing the worst market. But what could this be? The current situation and major move. You can see the price pullback after all-time highs. Bitcoin recently hit a new all-time high of 125 to 126, but now it's pulling back down 5.5% at one point. Analysts see the drop as more of a pause consolidation than a reversal of the bullish trend. Strong institutional inflow. Crypto ETFs saw a record of 5.95 billion inflow in 1 week. Bitcoin and Ethereum got the lion's share, 3.555 and the most. The Morgan Stanley is now letting all clients access crypto investment, not just wealthy ones. Policy and the headwinds. A stronger US dollar is pressuring crypto demand. Since crypto competes as an alternative store of value. Political risk. Trump threatening massive tariff on China, which spooked market broadly. Crypto shared over 125 billion in market value in one session. Regulators are watching tokenized stocks and also synthetic equities closely. There are risks from rapid. Okay, what about the market structure? Key support zone are being watched around 108 to 105 for Bitcoin. Resistance is clustering near the new high, which is 126. Liquidations, especially. Okay, so what has to watch? Indicators, events, why it matters, and the others. Okay, so take a look at all those ones for yourself. Now we'll go to Bybit to see. The whole market now is in red. Everything is collapsing. So the question is this a pullback to return, or this is a pullback to stay down? We don't hope for that. We don't hope for a pullback to stay down. We hope for a pullback to return, because we have invested a lot of fund here in the crypto industry market, but currently the market is not favoring. Imagine the paper coin dropping from this. Look at it. It just fell off from 1 because it recently moved to 0.0001. Okay, you can see where it fell off from. At least it was reasonable, and you can see the current price, which is very, very poor. This is to show you that it has recorded minus over 40 to 30% in just few minutes. Okay, this is actually scary. This is actually scary, but you need to stay vigilant, stay focused, and hope for the best. Okay, stay vigilant and also hope for the best. But as it is currently, it was a massive downfall, like a massive downfall. Okay, the crypto market as a whole are not smiling, but I see this as a new movement, as a new upward trend by God's willing. Okay, I see this as a new upward trend by God's willing. So all you need to do is to be vigilant. For those of us who invested in Altcoin, do not forget, stay in if you can, but we all hope for the best. Okay, we all hope for the best, because if you see the hamster as well, it fell all the way Asta fell all the way to 0.9. Oh my god. And it took a rapid back again. I see this as a pullback to return higher. Okay, so stay in if you can, and do not forget, do not invest more than you can lose. And if you haven't purchased anything, then this is the time for you to buy. Okay, the crypto market is now full of opportunity. Okay, so all you just need to do is to watch carefully, invest if you can, and lot more. And even in the whole crisis, a lot are still moving on, a lot are still doing well. A lot like Koa, they are still doing well. Okay, so you can see the crypto itself, the market are not good enough, but we hope for the best. Okay, I've invested so much here, but currently it's down. I've invested over 170 here, over 170 USD here, but you can see what it is like right now. I know a lot of you people might not see this before the day breaks. Okay, but we hope for the best. If you are in, by God's willing, it will triumph again. All right, so stay tuned. Drop your question if you have any question. Subscribe to this channel if you have not done that. Like the video, and as well share the video so that lots of people can see this and also see an opportunity to buy a new crypto coin. Okay, you can invest in from USA, from UK, from all over the world. Now this is your time for investment. You can just go on, do this investment if you are seeing this opportunity, and hope for the best. Okay, you can see this, you can look into a lot of these coins. You can see, you will definitely see a coin to buy. Okay, you will definitely see a coin to buy, and we hope that this pullback will bring back a very reasonable journey. This is on Bybit. Okay, this is actually on Bybit, so we'll go to Binance to see if there are some things also moving on here. Okay, this is Binance as well. This is Binance as well. We're also experiencing some shortages here as well. You can see the bars. I've invested massively in this bars, but currently its market also is very challenging. Okay, it's very challenging, but I see this as a new uptrend. Okay, I see this as a pullback to return higher with a very full strength by God's willing. Okay, so this should not scare you much. Stay tuned, for a lot of opportunity are coming your way. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. On this channel, I'll always bring you an update. So see you. Bye.